Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue on section 143 subsection 1. In the present case, the issue before Mumbai ITAT H bench was that whether the adjustment under section 143 subsection 1 can be done on the issues which are debatable or controversial. This issue has been decided by the tribunal in the case of Nariman Point Association versus Income Tax Officer Exemption. This case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal Short Notes, page 1, and the date of the order is 16th June 2025. In the present case, the assessee is a charitable organization, and for the assessment year 2021-22 and for the assessment year 22-23, when the CPC was processing the return of the income, it was found that there was some difference in the figures which were in the income tax return and form 10 of the assessee, and hence accordingly some upward adjustments were made into the income of the assessee. The assessee filed section 154 rectification application which was rejected. The assessee filed appeal before the CIT appeal against the order under section 154. When the matter was before the CIT appeal rejected the appeal of the assessee against the order under section 154 by saying that in the present case the issue involved is controversial in nature and hence the appeal against the order under section 154 cannot be accepted. The assessee filed the appeal before the tribunal by saying that the CIT appeal is of the opinion that the issue is controversial in nature, and since the issue is controversial in nature, hence the adjustment under section 143 subsection 1 also cannot be made, because both the sections, that is section 143 subsection 1 and section 154, are on the same footing according to the assessee. But when this matter was heard by the tribunal upheld the order of the CIT appeal, rejecting the appeal of the assessee under section 154 by saying that the submission of the assessee that the debatable and controversial issues cannot be taken by the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 is not justified. The tribunal said that through the Finance Act 1999, with effect from 1st June 1999, the requirement of prima facie admissibility or non-admissibility was deleted. The tribunal said that in the present case, there is no merit in the assessee submission that the adjustment under section 143 subsection 1 cannot be made for a debatable issue. But at the same time, the tribunal said that there is a requirement under section 143 subsection 1 that before making the adjustment under section 143 subsection 1, the proper opportunity of being heard to the assessee should be given and the assessee submission should be considered. The tribunal said that in the present case, although the appeal of the assessee has been rightly rejected by the CIT appeal against the order under section 154, but at the same time the issue on merits remains unadjudicated because of the technical reasons. The tribunal said that in the present case, the assessee should have filed the appeal against the order under section 143 subsection 1 and not against the order under section 154. So the tribunal said that the assessee is being given the liberty to file the appeal before the CIT appeal and file the condonation application in filing the appeal, and the CIT appeal should hear the condonation application also on merits. Friends, this case is very important because whenever the intimations are issued under section 143 subsection 1, a very pertinent question arises in the mind of the assessee that whether to file the appeal against the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 or whether to file the rectification under section 154 or whether to file the appeal under section 246A. If the assessee files the rectification, then the time lapses for filing the appeal, and if the assessee files the appeal with the CIT appeal, then a lot of time is required in adjudicating the appeals before the CIT appeal. So for the assessee, in both the ways, there is a black tunnel, and the assessee has to give a lot of time in contesting these section 143 subsection 1 intimations. So in the present case, the nutshell, the Honorable Tribunal said that there is no bar under section 143 subsection 1 in making the adjustments on debatable issues. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Nariman Point Association versus Income Tax Officer Exemption, and this case is reported in 125 ITR Tribunal at short notes 1, and the date of the judgment is 16th June 2025. Thank you, friends.